after that, all of you have to write down in your practical files also, right? All of you know two sides. One is the white and other one is the line page. Okay. So make sure what I am doing, do it like that. Okay. Here you will write down aim with pencil. White page पे no pen. Right? Aim क्या है? Aim means the name of the activity. To show that less reactive metal या high reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. To show that high reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. Right? This you have to write down in your practical file on white page, and the same thing you will write down on the line page with the pen. Here you will use pen, and on this side you will use pencil. Is this clear, beta? Right? So don't do like this. कि यहाँ पे you will use pen. Don't use pen on the white page. Then material required. Again with pencil. Material required. Beaker. Right? Copper sulfate. Iron chippings. ठीक है जी? Water. Clear? White page पे. ठीक है? Right? Lines वाले page पे with pen. Right बेटा? Again here you will also again write down material required. Right जी? ठीक है? Then you will write down here procedure or the method. You can use any word, procedure or method. Now what we will do? What is the procedure? I will try to send the page photo of that activity, but it's better we can write down in our own language also. What we will write down in the procedure? We will take a beaker. Whatever I am going to do it here now, you will write down in your file. Look here. What I am going to do. Take a beaker. Add water in it. Clear? Then copper sulfate solution. Solution. I had written the copper sulfate and the water to solution बनाऊंगी. The activity is here from its salt solution. From its salt solution, now how can you show the displacement reaction? Then how can you show? When you are keeping the two metals together, how will you show the reaction? Yes, CuSO4 is in the solid form, powder form. Okay, I am taking it. But I will write down. Take a beaker, add water, add copper sulfate powder in it, stir it. Okay. Now I am having the copper chippings, iron chippings. Okay. These are the iron chippings. You can see the color. This is of the grayish blackish tone. Color of the solution is adding in it iron filling. Wait for a while. Now you will observe that the color of the solution changes. It changes to, abhi look here, it will change into total green, and the chippings color, देखो I am having this copper chippings also. Copper color, you know na, copper chipping, and you will observe these color is also like the same as the copper chipping. So actually what happened in this case, this you have to write down in the procedure. What is the procedure? Take a beaker, add water in it, add copper sulfate powder in it, stir it, okay, then add iron chippings on in it. Right? This is your procedure. Right? What is your observation? Now you can see the change. What is your observation? We will observe that the color of the solution changes to blue to green, and the color of this iron chippings changes to the copperish. ठीक है? So actually क्या हुआ कि जो आयरन था उसका कलर कहाँ आ गया? सोल्यूशन में. सोल्यूशन का कलर किस पे चला गया? आयरन में. ठीक है? You can see the change. It's of greenish color. ठीक है? So that is our observation. Is that clear बेटा? Clear है? Procedure clear है सबको? ठीक है? After the procedure observation, I told you you have to write down the change in the color, and the reaction you can write. ठीक है? Observation में you can write down the reaction also. Reaction all of you know क्या है reaction? Iron plus copper sulfate, then what it will form? FeSO4 plus copper. This is of blue in color and this is of, ठीक है जी? And in this side, sorry, on this side, material required, and after that the diagram. ठीक है? Same diagram you will make as I show. Take a beaker, right? 2 beakers you will show. You will write down copper sulfate solution. यहाँ पे you will write down, or you can make blue color solution. Iron chippings. ठीक है? And after some time, you will again make the solution. And here you will write FeSO4, that is of green in color. You will make the solution green color, and here iron. Colors you will write down. यहाँ पे copper shade and यहाँ पे grayish black. Is this clear, बेटे? Any doubt? Simple है. And after that the conclusion, but we will write down the conclusion. Same the activity that highly reactive metal displaces. It's concluded that the highly reactive element displaces the less reactive, ठीक है, metal from its salt solution. यहाँ पे आप conclusion. Is this clear, बच्चे? No need. Diagram. Is this clear, बच्चे? Clear है? Okay. May I erase this one? Right. Now the other activity, 2 activities from the metals and non-metals. Second activity, show the reactions of some metals with dilute HCl. Same you will write down on the line page also. Okay. And now the material required: test tube, stand, metals के साथ ब्रैकेट में लिख दो, या you can write separately. You can write magnesium ribbon, aluminium foil, iron chippings I am taking, tongs, dilute HCl. This we have to write down the material. Is it clear? Right? Now what is the procedure? What is the procedure? We will take a test tube. Fan off करना. We will take a test tube. We will write down. या मैं पहले यहाँ पर. Look here. Diagram में what you will do? In diagram you will make test tubes. Test tubes you will make with the help of scale. No free hand. 4 test tubes or the 3 or 4 test tubes you can make. Okay. In this first test tube, what you will take? Dilute HCl. You will take dilute HCl and okay, in this first test tube, you will take dilute HCl plus magnesium ribbon. In the second test tube, dilute HCl plus iron chippings. And in the third test tube, dilute HCl plus copper. Now see, okay, the 3 I had written, so 3 you will do the activity with the 3 test tubes. Clear? Magnesium, iron and copper. Taking this test tube, now what we will write down in the procedure? We will take a test tube, then add, I am having this magnesium ribbon. Taking this magnesium ribbon, right? Then add dilute HCl by drop. Add dilute HCl, drop by. Can you see the reaction? Is something happen? Bubbles are. You can see the bubbles as well as the gas. And which gas is released? How we will check the hydrogen gas? Look here, I am showing it to you. Wait a while. With the burning matchstick. Big sound. Right? Okay. When we will bring the burning matchstick near to the gas, then it produces the popping sound. It indicates the presence of the hydrogen gas. And what we will write down in the right line page, the reaction, or we will make the table after procedure, or you can write down in the observation. Make the table in the observation side. Make table divided into 2. Write down on one side reaction of metal plus dilute HCl. And here you will write down observation. What happened in this case? First metal which we had taken, magnesium plus HCl. What will happen? MgCl2 plus hydrogen. So यहाँ पे on the observation we will write down reaction occur with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Now I am going to take the another one. Again, test tube. We are having the iron chippings. Take iron chippings and pour it in the test tube. Again, what we will do? Add reaction little bit. Magnesium is what indicates it? Magnesium is highly reactive. यहाँ पे भी reaction occur, but it is a as compared to the magnesium it is less. ठीक है, same hydrogen gas will liberate, and when we will bring burning matchstick near to it, it produces the popping sound. Now I will show you with the copper also. In question we had written na with the copper it will not show the reaction, so I am showing it. Look here. Okay. Now I will show you the now you can see तीनों टेस्ट ट्यूब you can see हो रही है मैं इसको बीच में करती now you can see in this reaction occur ये देखो evolution of gas is there copper में is there any change here the still the reaction occur यहाँ पे भी हो रही है gas is releasing so it indicates that copper is very less reactive. It will not show the reaction with the dilute HCl. As we had written in the question also that copper will not show reaction. You can see it. ठीक है ये देखो यहाँ पे gas evolution है ना. This is the evolution of the gas. Here is also you can see the gas is releasing, but here no gas. So that naturally the gas is releasing, the popping sound will be there. Naturally. As soon as iron में भी होगी कम है ना हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेशन इज वेरी लेस हाइड्रोजन गैस निकल रही है लेकिन इट्स वेरी लेस और immediately as I put it into the magnesium side immediately you observe the popping sound that indicates the reactivity series है सही है but it is very less is it clear bete and what we have to write down तीनों reaction first with the magnesium second with the iron and the third with the copper ठीक है evolution of gas no reaction ठीक है तो observation no need to write down you will make the table over there in the observation side it's okay you can take but I am having only these three so I am showing these three we can add the aluminium foil also वो भी हमने करा ही था you can take the chapati wrap and show the reaction with the dilute HCl that is the aluminium foil and then the evolution of the hydrogen gas will be there okay so this we have to write down in the practical file and the conclusion again same the reactivity aim of the activity that the sum of the metals show the reaction with the dilute acids and some are not. Is this clear? Diagrams clear? Activity is clear? Two activities from the metals and non-metals that we had discussed. Okay, and the one activity that we will discuss tomorrow, that is the tensile strength. As we had discussed in the synthetic fiber, tensile strength. So with the help of the different fibers we will use.